Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are looking for a specific movie, series or actor, the search feature on Prime Video helps you find content instantly without scrolling endlessly, okay? So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to search for a title on Prime Video in 2026 quickly and efficiently. So first thing, open search, like open the Prime Video app or website, okay? It depends on what you are using, whether it's a phone, Android, iOS, or a laptop, or even a TV. So tap or click the search icon, okay, here. You are now ready to search, so enter your query, like type the name of the movie or show, or search by actor or keywords, okay? So suggestions will appear instantly, okay? So you can see, for example, any the search what you can get from it. So select the title, tap or click the correct results. You will open the contents page, explore details like see description, cast and episodes, check availability and quality, like make sure it's the right title before playing, okay? Start watching, tap play, enjoy your contents immediately, and that's it, guys. So there are some common mistakes that happen, like for example, type in incorrect or incomplete title, like ignoring auto suggestions, for example, searching in a wrong language spelling, expecting unavailable content, or confusing similar titles, because small typo means wrong results. Okay, so that's it, guys, for how to search for a title on Prime Video. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next tutorial.